Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the new Outlook and going straight to Home Quick Steps. This is where you build repeatable actions. Click Manage Quick Steps or the plus button to create a new one. You pick a base action like Move, Reply, or Categorize because that defines the automation's core behavior. Choosing correctly now saves time later. Once done, name the quick step clearly so you recognize it in the ribbon and keyboard list. Next, you layer the detailed steps. Add multiple actions such as move to folder, flag, mark as read, and reply with a template. Actions run top to bottom. Make sure to assign a keyboard shortcut or pin the quick step to the toolbar so you can trigger it instantly. Test it with a sample email to verify order and behavior. If something runs out of order, reorder actions and test again. This reduces manual corrections later. Finally, save the quick step and start using it on live messages to confirm it speeds your workflow. If you need variants, duplicate the quick step and tweak only the changed actions so you keep consistency. Make sure to edit the name and shortcut as you finalize. If a quick step fails, check folder permissions, verify the target folder exists, and confirm the action order. Often reordering actions or reselecting the folder fixes the problem immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.